काजू फेस्ट गोवा 2024च्या तंत्रीक सत्रात मेळिल्लो प्रतिसाद अपूर्वायेचो आशिल्लो. गोंय रान उदरगत महामंडळान ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडल्या. ह्या कार्यावळीची दुसरी आवृत्ती शुक्रार सावन औपचारीकपणान सुरू जाल्या. 12 मे मेरेन वेगवेगळ्या कार्यावळींसयत हो काजू फेस्ट गोवा 2024 चालू आसतलो.
आमी आयज जे हांगासर सेकंड कॅशू फेस्ट जे स्टेट फेस्टिवल म्हणून जे गव्हर्मेंटान डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा तेचो आयज पयलो दीस आनी आयज आमी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी जो दवरलेलो आसा तो टेक्निकल सेशनाचो द्वारे दवरलेलो आसा. टेक्निकल सेशन्स मेनली कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केल्ले आसा जेतून इशू जे कॅशू आनी रिलेटेड टू कॅशू प्रॉडक्ट्स इन्क्लुडींग फेणी, कॅशू कल्टिवेशन, मागीर कॅशू नट प्रोसेसींग, मागीर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टांक कितें प्रॉब्लम येता, फार्मर्स ग्रोवर्सांक कितें प्रॉब्लम येता, ऑल दोज इश्यूज आर कन्सिडर्ड. आनी हांगासर आयज ताका लागून जवळ जवळ 30 एक्सपर्ट्स हे फुडले 3 दीस, आयचो दीस, फाल्यांचो दीस आनी परवाचो दीस, सकाळच्या दिसा 2-2 सेशनां जातलीं आनी हे सगळे इशू जे आसा पळय ते डिस्कस जावपाचे आसा. सो पयले दीस जो दवरलेलो आसा तो कॅशू कल्टिवेशन, म्हणजे शेतकारांक कितें प्रॉब्लम येता कल्टिवेशनान कॅशू आनी ते कॅशू प्रोडक्टिविटी कशी वाडोवपाची त्याच्या संबंधीची आयज सेशनां आसा. फाल्यांची सेशनां आसा जी डेस्टिलेशन, फेणी डिस्टिलर्स जे आसा गोंयचे आनी तांकां कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा, म्हणल्यार तांकां मुट्टे मेळना जाल्यार तेंचे प्रॉडक्ट्स जे वेस्ट जाता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॅशू एपल वेस्ट जाता तेचो कसो यूज करपा जाय. आनी तिसरे दीस जे सेशन्स आसा ती कॅशू प्रोसेसिंग्स आसा आनी त्या भायर न्युट्रिशनल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॅशू आनी कॅशू एपल्सा पासून जो मनशाक गरज आसा खावपाक, न्युट्रिशनल बेनिफिट्स मेळपा जाय तेच्या बद्दल ही 3 सेशनां 3 दीस जावपाची आसा. सो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की सगळे जे गोंयकार आसा जेंकां इंट्रस्ट आसा जे कॅशू बद्दल आनी जे कॅशू ग्रोवर्सांक कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसा जाल्यार तांकां ही एक बरी संद आसा, ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा. 30 एक्सपर्ट्स डिफरंट फिल्डांतले आसा आनी फिल्डांतले म्हणल्यार फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायरेक्टर ऑफ कॅशू एंड कोको बोर्ड गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाची जी इन्स्टिट्यूट्स आसा, मागीर डायरेक्टर ऑफ कॅशू रिसर्च कर्नाटक पुत्तूर, मागीर दापोली एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च स्टेशन आसा, डायरेक्टर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरांतले आमचे एक्सपर्ट्स आसा, ते सगळे येवन आज हांगा सेशनां घेवपाक आहा 3 दीस. सो सगळ्या लोकांक अपील करता की जेंकां इंट्रस्ट आसा तेणी येवचें आनी ही आमची सेशनांचो उपयोग करून घेवचो. आनी
stakeholders who are actually interested in the development of cashew sector in Goa are benefited from whatever we do in this cashew fest. As you know, this cashew fest actually started last year and it has been declared as a state festival, and this is only the second year that we are celebrating this cashew fest, and already it has found some traction among the stakeholders of this cashew sector, and many things have been discussed. Last year also there had been some technical sessions and many decisions were taken. I do not know how far those decisions were implemented, but this year also again I would request you to again discuss among yourselves and among the experts how best to develop this sector. As you know, this cashew sector itself is suffering from many infirmities. There are certain trade issues, there are certain issues of production. Due to climate change, there is a drastic change or drastic reduction in the cashew yield this year. You all know better than me.
All should put together to synergize. Basically, every island of mind is having a lot of knowledge, information regarding cashew and other things. Today is the day for cashew, so I would request you all to be full of energy and contribute your part so that we could make it best possible. Whatever we can do, whatever GFDC is intending to do, whatever Forest Department is trying to make this field for the realization of the potential for the best use of Goa.
Government of India alone or government of Goa alone cannot, because who are the players involved in the cashew sector? They have to motivate the farmers. Government of assistant is there, from the state government assistant is there. Goa, they are giving more money than government of India. So definitely, it is somehow it is not percolating, and the agencies, either agriculture universities or Aisher Institute, they are not coming forward to motivate the farmers, to train the farmers. That is only we are lacking. So definitely that is why we are associating with the NGOs also, farmer producer organization also. So definitely we will take forward. We will enhance our training program in the state of Goa.
Any farmers, they take care of their farm not only once, twice, thrice. And you said rightly, this is one point I'd like, give good price. I am again telling this government officer directors also here, our farmers are struggling. They are asking good price. No doubt there is a support price for the government has declared through agriculture department. Recently, 10 days back also I highlighted this issue before the CM, who is our finance minister. It's correct, give good price. You should talk to these farmers because sometimes some farmers may not understand our English, so our local language. आमको बरो प्राइस दिया, आम्ही झाडाची केअर घेतात, आम्ही कल्टिवेशन करतात. And especially women fold is day and night they are struggling. They are taking much care. But what is the rate? 140. Let me speak.
We have less productivity. We need to. There is a need to increase the productivity. This is the production scenario of cashew. Last year's data. You will find area and production of Goa state here around 59,000 hectares cashew we are cultivating.
I from Goa Bagaitar, the nut taste, it is like you are eating wheat flour. It doesn't have taste. So I think Goa Bagaitar should get the stuff from the local people and they should tag it with the name from where it is they got it. Because when I buy a packet form which is packed in Sattari, the taste is awesome. That is one part. The second part is you said about the age of the tree. How do you determine the age of the tree? And how to deal about taking away the tree and planting a new one? Whether it is supported by the law of the place. Because once you take away the tree, the forest department is after you. So these are practical problems. One more thing I wanted to ask is whether intercropping is possible in terms of cashew with coconut tree.
No, definitely. Nuts are, is very crispy in nature, very tasty, and also Malvan. Malvan is the best also, where the Japanese people, they prefer Malvan cashews also. Definitely Goan cashew are the best as far as in Indian cashews.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगेज, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.